I've just seen absolutely amazing pings coming through on the LiveCops Discord server. There are 4 or 5 different Lego sets that Costco have got on clearance today that are going for just crazy money on Amazon and crazy sales as well. A lot of these listings are selling thousands and thousands of units per month. On top of that, there may even be some slower selling sets that they've got as well at my local store. So yeah, I'm en route right now to my local Costco. Gonna try and clear out as much stock as possible. I've called ahead, so thankfully I do know that they do have 2 of the models that I'm looking for. But yeah, we'll just have to go in store and see what they've got, and hopefully they've got a few more units. This is honestly where the LiveCops Discord server really shines. Like, I had no idea that I'd even be going to Costco today or that any of this stuff would be available. But now literally I've got a notification come through on my phone, and straight away hop in the car because I know there's some real profit to be made. I imagine as these sets are on clearance that they'll be kind of the last that Costco will be getting of these particular models. I definitely will be reaching out to them to see if I can secure a pallet of any of these, but I assume these are probably the last bits of stock that they've got, and after this is them all gone. But yeah, either way, it should be a fun day. Guys, we're here now. It's literally just a few days before Christmas. There are so many people here. I'm quite worried that there won't be any Lego left. I mean, there was when I called a few hours ago, but I don't live too near Costco. So let's head inside quickly and see what we can find. Absolutely massive shopping trolleys. Let's see if we can fill the whole thing up. All right guys, we've just got in store and you should have seen the smile on my face when I saw these beautiful sets. Unfortunately, they haven't got the other ones that we're interested in. They've just got the Wally sets. That's completely fine with me because have a look at this. So this set does 5,000 units per month. We're talking about £11 profit per unit, 44% ROI. Can't really get better than that. And yeah, there's a good amount on the shelves as well, which is good. There's definitely at least 20 here. Can't really take this one. Like, this is way too bashed up to be reselling, but everything else is definitely game. So let's load up the trolley and go. You always get so many looks from other people in here. It's like always just suspicion. Yeah, that I do. That's why I'm in LiveCops. If these guys had joined LiveCops and seen the ping that I did, they'd be loading up their trolleys soon. Because yeah, absolutely incredible price. Beautiful. Don't think there's any more of this set. I think those are the last ones. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, I think there's about 20 there. Yeah, I can't really see anything else worth taking or at least worth scanning. Usually on Costco, whenever they're doing stuff that's reduced or on clearance, the price ends in a 97 or 96. So if you see that sort of stuff in store, obviously you want to be scanning it, seeing if it's profitable to sell. None of this other stuff is actually reduced. There was this Lego Batman set that's ended in a, oh actually, let me have another scan of that, just double check of it. Yeah, we got this Lego Batman set, but the problem is these rips on the boxes, especially Lego Batman, a lot of collectors buy this sort of stuff. I think the other box is a bit bashed up as well, so like, even if it is profitable, this one's not as bad, but it's not great. Like, if you're a collector and you're buying a thing off Amazon and you're expecting it to be brand new, pristine, and this arrives, you might return it, and then I'm stuck with a set that I don't actually want for myself, so I'll probably pass on these, even if they are profitable, because it's not really worth the hassle, but all of these boxes are pristine, so yeah, I guess now we'll just head to the checkouts and go make this purchase. Can't see any more Lego bits down there. I think that is everything. Did ask someone as they were walking in as well about how much Lego they had, and the staff member was telling us, yeah, they've basically sold out of everything. So we're lucky they didn't sell out of this before I arrived. But this store is busy, 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 busy. Whilst we're just waiting, I thought I'd show you guys the LiveCops Discord server. So these are actually those same Lego Batmans that apparently were 36 at another store, but annoyingly not at this store. However, if we scroll up a little bit, where were they? There it is. Those are the Wally ping from earlier, so yeah, 29.96. Here they were in store at that price. Absolutely lovely. And yeah, really, really solid profit. Lovely. Thank you very much. You too. All right, let's get out of here. It is way too packed for my liking. Been here a few times when it's been this bad. Such huge trolleys and so many people, just not enough space. But yeah, went well. Woman at the till was telling us about, joking about how I either have a lot of relatives wanting Lego or that I'm making money investing in these Lego sets. And obviously that is exactly what I'm doing. Telling us she sees a lot of people doing this sort of stuff, buying it to just sell on Amazon. Yeah, Costco is a great place. I mean, Costco is obviously a wholesaler, so it's like a proper place where you can buy these sort of volumes. Sometimes before, when I've gone Asda or Tesco, you show up at the till with all of this and they're like, well, actually, sorry, you're only allowed 6 per customer or something stupid. But yeah, always love Costco. So I'd say it's been a pretty successful day. I mean, didn't get as many as I wanted to. I think I got 16 of these in the end, which at £10 profit a unit, it's what, 160 quid? I live quite far from Costco. It's about an hour's drive here, depending on traffic, sometimes less. So let's say 2 hours to get here and back to Costco. Probably like 10 minutes in store. Most of that was just recording for you guys. So yeah, 80 quid an hour, can't really complain. Obviously next time I have to be a little bit more on it with checking LiveCops first thing in the morning, because these were pinged like this morning. So I could have been here a lot earlier, probably grabbed more of these and more of some other sets, but hey, can't ever complain about this sort of money from literally just buying something from a store, sending it off to Amazon, and then they do all the work. Okay. If you're serious about making money flipping Lego from Costco like I did today, or flipping Pokemon cards, or Amazon deals, or reselling on eBay, then you need to be in the LiveCops Discord community. We have a completely free to join community where we can get you set up with everything you need to know, and you can ask us questions about how you can start making money from reselling. As well as that, we've also got a £59 a month group for the pros. Inside that pay group, you're gonna find daily profitable flips just like this, insider info from a network of resellers who are making serious cash every single day, and so much more. Whether you're doing Amazon FBA, eBay flips, or just getting started, LiveCops is your unfair advantage. Click the link down below in the video description and you can get inside the free LiveCops Discord group today. I'll catch you in there.